All right, so the only problems I saw with the first prints is that we used the material, like my sizing wasn't bad. I don't know why that happened, but inside the holes, there's no way to put a 4 millimeter pipe in properly. It just doesn't. There's too much chalkiness. If you see here, there's too much junk inside the hole, so it has to be bored out. It's kind of like what I'm trying to minimize, but with the last three prints, there's much more definition inside the hole. You can kind of see down there. Really nice definition. You look down here, there's all sorts of shit there that it binds on the element and it doesn't fit right. And all the other ones don't fit right just because of that same problem. So I guess we figured that out. Trying to not use these. They're just wasted money or R&D costs, I guess we can do. But I had three boom elements, and then this side we'll have to bore it out with the drill or whatnot to get them to fit. And this guy I'll have to backfill with epoxy or something. But the whole thing, I was hoping to get 3 matching dishes with this, and that's where I guess I miscommunicated somehow. But I just wanted to show you the feedback on what was printed, how we refined it, and everything's good. No worries.